In a surprise change of events, what has lately captured our attention instead of leaked images revealing what looks to be the latest DJI drones? Yes, it's likely that we won't get a first look at DJI's most popular tiny drone. These pictures, posted by Jasper Allens on Twitter, provide us a look at how the Mini 4 Pro performs in actual usage. These field test images frequently allude to a release that will happen soon, generally within the next 6 to 8 months. In this video, we analyze the implications of these leaked pictures and speculate on what they could tell about the much-awaited DJI Mini 4. Without further ado, let's get started. The leaked photo immediately draws attention to the vertical feet attached to the front two arms of the drone. This particular feature is reminiscent of the DJI Mini 3 and stands out as a notable difference from the Mini 3 Pro, which does not possess such feed. This has led to the speculation that the drone is being tested in the photo might actually be the upcoming DJI Mini 4, rather than its more advanced counterpart, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It suggests that we could be getting a glimpse of the Mini 4 in action during its product test flight. Furthermore, it's worth noting that the lead drone seems to boost the camera and gimbal system identical to that of the DJI Mini 3. The design choice enables the camera to be tilted upwards and rotated, enabling seamless portrait shooting. The presence of front obstacle avoidance bats on the drone also ensures enhanced safety during flight. Additionally, its overall aesthetics bear resemblance to that of a frog, adding a distinctive visual appeal. Collectively, these shared attributes strongly suggest that the leaked drone inherits the advanced camera capabilities, versatile shooting options, and recognizable physical features of its predecessor, the DJI Mini 3, and the potential enhancements of the DJI Mini 4 include the incorporation of a larger 1-inch sensor, resulting in improved performance in low-light conditions and overall image quality. This upgrade has the potential to turn the Mini 4 into a viable option for those involved in professional aerial photography. What draws even more attention are the two obstacle avoidance sensors located on the front corners of the drone. Positioned with prime, these sensors are designed to be wide-angled and slightly angled sideways, providing robust protection against unforeseen collisions. Additionally, it's intriguing to know that the rearward-facing obstacle of water and sensors are strategically placed behind the forward ones, suggesting the possibility of a comprehensive near 360-degree obstacle avoidance capability. This arrangement hints at an advanced obstacle detection system that ensures the drone's safety from obstacles in various directions. Another noticeable alteration can be observed in the positioning of the navigation lights. In this case, the two front lights have been removed from the previous location and cleverly relocated to the rear legs of the drone. This adjustment in the placement of the lights indicates a redesign aimed at enhancing visibility and potentially improving aerodynamics. Let's talk about the price. With each iteration of the Mini series, there has been a steady rise in pricing, which can be attributed to the continuous advancements in technology and the addition of new features. Now, considering this trend, it's plausible to anticipate the DJI Mini 4 might be offered at a price range of approximately $499 to $549, while the Mini 4 Pro could potentially fall within the ballpark of $649 to $699. In short, considering the DJI Mini 3 Pro was released over a year ago, the emergence of a potential successor naturally sparks a question of whether we are prepared for it. If indeed the DJI Mini 4 is on the horizon, what notable advancements could make it a worthy follow-up? Would it feature enhanced optical avoidance mechanisms or a significant leap in low-light photography and videography capabilities? Please share your thoughts in the comment area below. Thank you for watching, and please like and share this video with your friends. If you found this video useful, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe if you would want to see more videos like this.